So prior to starting my postdoctorate here, I was a Walsh Scholar in the Agricultural Economics and Farm Survey Department in Teagasc Athenry. I met a lot of really good people here, and this made me want to continue my research because I had a really good time as a PhD student. So I then applied for a postdoctorate position and managed to stay here. Currently, I'm involved in a European project called MilKey. So I actually, along with partner institutions in 7 different European countries, we're developing a multi-criteria sustainability assessment. So basically we try to evaluate sustainability across the 3 dimensions on specialised dairy farms. So as part of the role, I'm coordinating the data collection, the verification and analysis of the data. So in that, I am on a daily basis, I'm in contact with people abroad, typically through emails or also virtual meetings, and I try to provide support so that they collect the data in a timely manner. In that, I also revise their data and I use it then to calculate sustainability indicators of the case study farms that we have in the project. But I'm also involved in other activities in my department, so stuff that is not directly related to the work I'm doing in the European project. So I also attend, open days and farm walks and other, department activities where they potentially need me. So I'm originally from France, and it was a professor of mine that heard, when I was studying in Montpellier, they heard about the Walsh Scholarship opportunity and they encouraged me to apply. So I'm really glad I did, because this really matches my interests. So then moving abroad was kind of a fresh start, and I had to learn a lot to adapt, both from a personal and a professional standpoint. But I felt that I had a lot of support within my department and I felt very welcome, so it really was a nice experience for me. Outside of my role as a researcher, I also produce young horses for equestrian sports as a hobby, and I find that Teagasc gives me a very good work-life balance to be able to do this. So I would encourage people applying for postdoctorate positions in Teagasc, because I find there's a lot of very knowledgeable and helpful people in this institution, and they're all working towards the ecological transition and more sustainable food systems. So I find there's a lot to learn here, and it's very good for an early career researcher. When I finish my position here, I would like to continue in applied research, and I'm not sure where I'll be, but I would like to maintain links with my current colleagues and continue collaborating with them.